Hello, how are you? Hope you must be enjoying this lockdown. In today's lockdown, I am going to introduce a new topic that is your notice writing. So, what is basically notice? Let me know you. Notice is a short message in which the topic is given. Apart from topic, the venue is given. When it is going to be happen, it has to be given. So basically, you have to learn how a notice is being written. So first of all, what we write? Name of the organization. First, leave a line, then write down the word notice. Then to the left hand side, write down date after leaving one line. Then after leaving one line, write down heading. And then the parts of body comes. So body, and after the body, you have to leave one line and letter on your signature and designation. So few things you have to keep in your mind while writing notice. That first of all you have to think that a notice, in that one notice you have to say very clearly what exactly the institution who has passed this notice wants to say. So there are few points which you can see on the screen, and it has been titled like points to ponder. So what should be there? First of all, the notice must be enclosed in a enclosure. That means to say, when you are going to write a notice, it must be inside a box. So for writing a notice, you just make a box and then do the things. Later on, we have to think about the word limits. The word limits of the notice is 40 to 50 words, exactly not more than 55. Okay, so what words we will count? Here another question comes before us. Those words which comes inside the body of the notice, that will be counted only. Then body, what essential things we have to follow while writing the body of a notice, that the event, for what event the notice is being written, place where that event is going to take place, then date, on what date that particular event will take place, and exact time. Okay, now whom to concern, that means whatever the information is given in the notice, who you have to give that one notice. Now the next one is that what step we should take while writing. Leave a space of one line gap after every steps. Leave a space of one line after every step. The body of the notice must be in the enclosure or inside the enclosure. So I hope you must have got to know what is a notice, is it? I hope you must have understood about notice. So if I'm very much sure that you must have got what you have to do exactly in the notice. For example, if your school passes a notice that write a notice on behalf of the school head boy that there is a blood donation campaign is going to be organized in your school. So write a notice in not more than 40 to 50 words. Okay, so first of all you have to do the things, use a scale and a pencil, and the bit of a scale and pencil, with the use of help of the scale and pencil, you just make an enclosure. Okay, in the center of that enclosure, on the very top part of your paper sheet, write down the name of your school, then leave one line, then write down notice, and from that left hand side you write down date, and later on write down the instruction, what is the notice for, the title of the notice or heading. Okay, then do follow all the things Bye, all of you. Thank you.